Most people think sleep problems start in the mind. Too much stress, too many thoughts, too much screen time. But what if I told you your sleep problems may be starting on your plate? Because one very common eating habit is silently destroying the quality of your sleep. And most people do it every single day. Let's understand this simply. Your body follows a rhythm, a natural internal clock. In the morning, your body wants energy. At night, your body wants rest and repair. But when we eat the wrong way at night, we confuse this rhythm, and the body doesn't know whether to stay awake or shut down. Here is the habit: eating heavy meals late at night, rice, rotis, fried food, sweets, or large portions close to bedtime, especially after 8:30 or 9 pm. When you do this, your digestive system goes into overdrive, exactly when it should be slowing down. Digestion needs blood, energy, and heat. Sleep needs calm, cooling, and stillness. You're forcing the body to do two opposite jobs at the same time. That's why many people say, I sleep, but I don't feel rested. I wake up tired. I keep turning at night. I get strange dreams. I wake up around 2 or 3 am. This is not weakness. This is physiology. Here's the science part, simple and factual. Late heavy eating raises body temperature, spikes insulin, activates digestion hormones, suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone. Melatonin works best when digestion is mostly done. If melatonin drops, sleep becomes light, broken, and shallow. You may fall asleep, but deep sleep doesn't happen properly. And deep sleep is where healing happens. Another hidden issue is acid reflux. When you lie down with full stomach, acid travels upward. Even if you don't feel heartburn, your nervous system senses disturbance. So your brain keeps waking you up to protect the body. That's why many people wake up suddenly at night without knowing why. Now listen carefully. This does not mean you should skip dinner. Skipping dinner is worse. Hunger also increases stress hormones like cortisol, which again destroys sleep. The problem is not eating at night. The problem is what you eat, how much you eat, and when you eat. Here is the sleep-friendly rule you can actually follow. Finish your main dinner at least 2.5 to 3 hours before sleep. Focus on simple food, less oil, moderate portions, easy digestion. Avoid heavy fried food, excess sweets, very spicy food, and large quantities of rice or refined carbs at night. If you feel hungry later, that's okay. You can have warm milk, a small fruit, light soup, not to fill the stomach, just to calm the system. Now here's the most important part. Good sleep is not a luxury. It's the foundation of health. Poor sleep leads to weight gain, sugar imbalance, mood swings, anxiety, low immunity. What time do you usually eat dinner? Because sometimes better sleep doesn't need medicine, just better timing. Thanks a lot for watching.